Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by opening the notebook and selecting the section where the PDF belongs. Use Insert then File Printout to place the PDF pages as images so you can write directly on them. Choose Attach File only if you need the raw PDF for export later, otherwise insert the printout to annotate. Once done, make sure pages import in order. If they reverse, reinsert or drag to reorder. This gives you a writable, pageable canvas inside OneNote. Next, you'll focus on annotating and structuring those imported pages. Use draw tools, pen, highlighter, color choices, and thickness to mark key text. Pen strokes become searchable with ink-to-text later. Add typed notes beside highlighted areas and apply tags like important or question to index action items. If layout feels off, crop or rotate the printout images and move them to balance margins. Once organized, sections and pages help you retrieve annotations fast. Finally, export and sync so your work is preserved and shareable. Use File Export to create a new PDF of the annotated pages or share the notebook link for collaborative editing. Make sure sync is enabled and watch the sync status to confirm all devices have the latest copy. If you find missing pages or blurry images, reinsert the printout at higher resolution, update OneNote, or clear the app cache. These steps typically fix import and rendering problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.